Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing a frustrating issue that many YouTube TV users encounter, audio sync problems. Have you ever been watching your favorite show on YouTube TV and noticed the audio doesn't quite match the visuals? The characters' lips move, but the sound lags behind, or maybe it's the other way around. It's incredibly distracting, right? Well, in this video, we're going to break down several simple and effective methods to fix audio sync issues in YouTube TV. We'll cover everything from basic troubleshooting steps to more advanced solutions, so you can get back to enjoying your shows without the annoying delay. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tricks. Now, let's get started. Segment 1. Basic Troubleshooting. Okay, first things first, let's go through some basic troubleshooting steps that often resolve these kinds of issues. 1. Restart YouTube TV *. Sometimes, a simple restart can do the trick. Close the YouTube TV app completely and then reopen it. This clears out any temporary glitches that might be causing the problem. 2. Restart your device *. Similar to restarting the app, restarting the device you're using to watch YouTube TV can also help. Whether it's a smart TV, streaming device like Roku or Chromecast, or even your phone or tablet, power it off completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. 3. Check your internet connection *. A weak or unstable internet connection is often the culprit behind audio sync issues. Run a speed test to ensure you're getting the speeds you're paying for. If your internet speed is slow, try restarting your router and modem. Make sure your device is also close enough to your router for a strong signal. 4. Update YouTube TV app *. Make sure you're running the latest version of the YouTube TV app. Outdated versions can have bugs that cause audio sync problems. Check for updates in your device's app store. Segment 2. Advanced Solutions. If the basic steps didn't solve the issue, let's move on to some more advanced solutions. 1. Clear cache and data *. Clearing the cache and data for the YouTube TV app can help resolve lingering issues. Go to your device's settings, find the YouTube TV app, and look for options to clear cache and data. Be aware that this might require you to log back into the app. 2. Adjust audio settings on your device *. Sometimes, the audio settings on your TV or streaming device can cause sync problems. Look for audio delay or lip sync settings in your device's audio menu. Experiment with adjusting these settings until the audio and video are synchronized. 3. Try a different HDMI cable or port *. If you're using an HDMI cable to connect your streaming device to your TV, try using a different cable or plugging it into a different HDMI port. Sometimes, a faulty HDMI cable or port can cause audio issues. 4. Check YouTube TV settings *. Although rare, YouTube TV might have some internal settings causing this issue. Navigate within the YouTube TV app to Settings and then to Audio-Video Settings. Look for any options related to audio sync or delay. If you find any, ensure they are set to the default or optimal setting. Segment 3. Device-Specific Tips. Now, let's look at some device-specific tips that might help. *Roku * On Roku devices, you can try going to Settings, Audio, HDMI and changing the audio format. Experiment with different formats to see if that resolves the issue. *Chromecast * For Chromecast, make sure your Chromecast device is updated to the latest firmware. Also, try power cycling both the Chromecast and your TV. Smart TVs * If you're using the YouTube TV app directly on your smart TV, consult your TV's manual for specific audio settings. Look for features like auto lip sync or audio delay, and adjust them accordingly.
Segment 4. Contacting support. *.
If you've tried all the solutions above and are still experiencing audio sync issues, it might be time to contact YouTube TV support. They can provide further assistance and potentially identify underlying issues with your account or the service itself. You can usually find contact information on the YouTube TV website or through the app.
Conclusion.
And that's it. We've covered several methods to resolve audio sync issues in YouTube TV, from basic troubleshooting to more advanced solutions. Hopefully, one of these tips helped you fix the problem and get back to enjoying your favorite shows. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tutorials. Let us know in the comments below which method worked for you or if you have any other solutions to share. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.